Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about the char data type. Okay, so let's start by talking about char. So a char is a character in C++. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the creation of a char. So this is a single char. You guys will have to pay attention to this very closely. So a char just stores a single character, such as, let's say, the letter A. So you guys need to use single quotes. Okay, let's print this char into the screen to take a look at it. So we will do this. You guys will see that we'll print an A. Okay, so we can also, I need to slow down on the explanation. So this is a char on the ask table. Okay, so you could initialize a char by its actual character or by its number on the ask table. For instance, capital A can also be 65. So if I do this, let's compile and execute, I will see the same output. So you could initialize a char by its char itself or by its number on the ask table. Okay, so but this is not very useful since we are only storing a single char or letter. Let's say I want to store a name. So how we do this? So I'm going to cover something that I didn't want to cover right now, but I will have to do it. But you guys will have a deeper explanation in the future, which are arrays. So chars, strings can be also be treated as char arrays. Okay, so instance name, we need to put a square brackets to create a char array, which means a sequence of characters, and we need to put some text between double quotes. For instance, the year 2019, something like that. So if I change this to name, and I compile this, I should see the text, the year 2019 on the screen, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is how you can store chars on C++. But there is also one thing that I didn't mention, is the initialization. So I didn't specifically set the number of chars that this string would accept, but I could. For instance, if I put a 5 here and I try to compile this, I got an error. So you guys can see it's too long. So if I put 16, let's see, the compile runs. Okay, so the compilation was successful, but we need to pay attention to this. I don't necessarily wanted to put a let's say, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So let's say I start the char name with the, okay, and then I try to change the year and the year. Let's do this correctly. Okay, and then I try to print this text into the screen, so, as the following. So you guys can see we initialize char as the, we print that out, we change its content, and we try to print that out again. So we'll do this. So you guys can see we have a error, okay, because the compiler knows that name cannot store the year because it's larger than its initial length, okay, or size. So you guys need to pay attention to that. Okay, so this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.